Welcome back to my video series called 10 Ways in 10 Days. Now, in these videos, I'm sharing simple things you can do to protect and preserve your vision. And in case you missed them, in video number 1, I talked about nutrients for eye health, the foods that you can eat to help protect your vision. Video number 2, I talked about UV protection. Video number 3, I talked about blue light and blue blocking glasses. In video number 4, I talked about other ways you can protect against blue light, including some screen filter apps, as well as smart bulbs. And this is video number 5. And I'm going to be talking about digital eye strain. And this is a really important topic because so many of us are wedded to our digital devices, whether it be our phone, our tablet, our computer, our TV screen, or perhaps even our entertainment console. Many of us are on screens for hours at a time a day. And did you know that the average US adult spends about 11 hours a day in front of a screen? I know that number is absolutely mind-boggling. And the average child in the US spends about 6.5 hours a day in front of a screen. It's really just crazy in terms of how much we are on devices a day. So it's not unusual that sometimes that excessive screen time can lead to symptoms of digital eye strain. So digital eye strain symptoms may include light sensitivity, dry eyes, eye fatigue, difficulty focusing, headache, sometimes even neck and shoulder pain just because of ergonomics. But basically, digital eye strain can be quite disabling for some people, especially if their job or their work or schoolwork demands being on a screen for hours at a day. So what can you do to prevent against digital eye strain? So I would say the number one thing you can do is to take frequent breaks during the day. And what I usually like to tell my patients is to use the 20/20 rule. And so 20/20 vision means perfect vision, but the 20/20 rule is basically every 20 minutes, set your timer and just close your eyes for 20 seconds. And simply by doing that, you will limit the amount of light exposure your eyes get from the screen, specifically blue light coming from the screen that can lead to a lot of these symptoms of digital eye strain. But not only that, by closing your eyes, you're lubricating your eyes. So it actually fights against dry eyes and irritation and fatigue. So it has the two potential benefits of simply closing your eyes, doing those simple things. So again, remember the 20/20 rule. Maybe set a timer and every 20 minutes just take a break. I know that some doctors also recommend looking away at a distant object for 20 seconds, but your eyes are still open, so I prefer closing your eyes for 20 seconds. So remember that the 20/20 rule, that's my tip number 5 in my series, 10 Ways in 10 Days. So stay tuned for tip number 6.